Hi everyone, in this video you have to check if the function f of x given is continuous at x equals 0. But pay attention that f of x has an absolute value function, so you have to rewrite the absolute value function without the notation of the absolute value. And as you know, absolute value of x equals x on the interval greater than or equal to 0 and negative x on the interval less than 0. So we can write f of x as sine 5x over x when x greater than 0 and sine x over negative x when x less than 0. Also we have 5 when x equal to 0. So this is our function. Since we have greater than 0 and less than 0, and you have to check the continuity at x equal to 0, so you have to find the limit of this function to the right of 0 and to the left of 0. So limit f of x when x goes to 0 from right, you have to use this function sine 5x over x. This is equals to limit sine 5x over x when x goes to 0, and this is equals to 5 over 1, which is 5. So the limit to the right of 0 equals to 5. Now you have to check the limit to the left of 0. So limit f of x when x goes to 0 from left equals 0 from left means less than 0. So our function is sine x over negative x when x goes to 0, and this is sine 5x, and this is equals 5 over negative 1, and this gives us negative 5. So the limit from right of 0 and from left of 0 are different. So limit f of x when x goes to 0 from right not equals limit f of x when x goes to 0 from left. And this means that limit f of x when x goes to 0 does not exist. And hence, since the limit does not exist, f of x will be discontinuous at x equal to 0. So f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 0. And that's it. Thank you.